What's up and welcome back to my channel. This is my 20th video and I still suck at my intros. I'm always just looking at the camera, not knowing what to say. So thank you for all of your support and please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. So it is fall. That means time for decorating, which is actually the first time I've really bothered to decorate my room. I used to binge watch all of those fall decor, winter decor videos and just never bothered to do it. So actually getting my act together this week, even though I have so much homework and I don't even know how I'm fitting this in. Without further ado, let's get decorating. I 10 seconds later doing this, my arms are burning.